Alright, so we want to go ahead and take a look at this guy right here. We want to go ahead and solve this inequality. So let's go ahead and start right now. Let's get rid of this 8 in the denominator by doing its opposite operation. So the operation that the 8 is doing is dividing, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 8. So that would get rid of those two guys right there, leaving me with 5x minus 6 is less than 64. I'm going to go ahead and add 6 to both sides. So now I'm left with 5x is less than 70. And I'm going to divide both sides by 5. And I have x is less than 14. Okay, so the interval notation for this, because we want to write this in interval notation, is actually going to be a parenthesis negative infinity to 14, and that should actually be a bracket right there. Let's do that over again. So negative infinity to 14, just like that right there. That's what we should have, because it goes from negative infinity to 14. It says right here x is less than 14. So all numbers that are less than 14. Oh, so in that case, actually, this would be a parenthesis then, because 14 is not included. So let's just change that then to a parenthesis as well. So this one won't have any brackets at all. And then lastly, we want to make a number line. And so I'll just put a 14 right here. So a parenthesis, and it's going to go to the left. Alright, so let's come over here now to the right. And we have a lot of stuff going on here. I'm going to first distribute this negative sign. So negative 4 minus r. And then I have plus 2 minus 3r is less than negative 14. I could combine my negative 4 and 2. So that will give me negative 2. And negative r and negative 3r give me negative 4r is less than negative 14. Alright, so we'll go ahead and move the 2 over here. So I'm going to go and add 2 to both sides. So cross those guys out. And I have negative 4r is less than negative 12. And then I divide by negative 4. And remember that when we divide by negative, we need to flip the inequality. So if r is greater than 3. And so quickly, let's just write down the interval. So r is bigger than 3, so starting with 3 and then going to infinity. And our number line is as so. And this will be our 3, so it starts with the parenthesis and then goes to the right.